37, Reed Thompson.
Yep.
All right, we're heading out.
38, Steve Morgan. 39, Owen Thomas.
And closed that up. There's no wake. It's like they can't hear it. Guys, that's Rick Clune.
Yeah, he was parked next to us.
Yeah, I didn't notice that's who it was.
That's actually Rick Clune.
Huh?
It's Rick Clune.
He's one of the big pros.
Oh wow.
They're from Ava.
Okay.
One of their guys graduated and the school would not let him fish.
Wow.
Him and his partner won the first half.
They won the first tournament. Not like the other.
Well, they were still arguing about it yesterday, whether or not he could. I think it's wrong, man.
Me too.
What number you get?
32.
What are you?
3-2.
That guy's way out of line.
I know it.
Or what he's doing.
So is that one right there.
It's not, we're 36, so you should be in front of us. We'll let you go.
It's no problem. We got all day.
It don't matter too much.
Right there.
What's that guy doing?
He's a monitor.
Oh wow, look at all the kayaks lined up on the bank over there.
Yeah.
All right.
I guess those guys all knew where they were going.
Go where the crane is, I guess.
Yeah. That's towards the dam. Everybody's going to the right. Except that one.
Everyone's going to the right except for the professional.
Yeah, exactly. We're gonna follow him.
Might as well.